Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this lesson we're going to be sliding a parcel lot line in Civil 3D. Let's get started. In this exercise you'll resize a parcel by swinging an attached lot line from a specified reference point. This exercise continues from sliding a parcel lot line. The first step is to specify parcel creation settings. Go ahead and open up your Parcel-2B drawing, which is located in your Tutorials folder. Then go over to your Home tab and then to your Create Design panel. Next, click on the Parcel drop-down and then click on Parcel Creation Tools. Remember, on the Parcel Layout Tools toolbar we have this little arrow to collapse the menu and to expand it. We'll specify the following parameters. As you specify each parameter, if you remember, we get a little graphic down here at the bottom. Currently, for this exercise, all of the parameters have already been filled out, so we can proceed to the next step. Now we'll swing one end of the parcel lot line. On the toolbar, select this drop-down, then select Swing Line Edit. We get the Create Parcels Layout dialog box. Go ahead and select OK. We'll move this toolbar off to the side. You're now prompted to select the attached lot line to adjust. In the drawing, click the lot line between lots 104 and 105. Then we can select the parcel to adjust by moving the cursor over property 104 and clicking. Now we're going to specify the parcel frontage. We're going to start from this endpoint and we're going to come around to this endpoint. Now specify a swing point and move your cursor to this approximate location. Now our command line is asking us if we accept the result. Go ahead and hit enter for yes. Lastly, go ahead and hit escape to exit out of the command. So that's how you go about swinging one end of a parcel lot line in Civil 3D. If you'd like to learn more about Civil 3D workflow tips and tricks, visit AutoCAD Civil3Dtraining.com and be sure to sign up for future video notifications or click subscribe on our YouTube channel. Again, my name is Charles Ellison. Take care.